Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Android Studio and the JDK are installed, and the phone has developer options enabled. Plug the phone into USB and watch for the RSA prompt. Accept it so Android Studio can see the device. Once connected, open your project and select the correct build variant because debug versus release affects signing and install behavior. Make sure a DB recognizes your device by running the device chooser in the Run menu, and proceed when the physical device appears. Now you configure the build and run options so installation succeeds. In Android Studio, pick the app module and verify the run configuration targets your connected device. Sync Gradle so dependencies download, then clean and build to catch compile issues early. Once built, click Run to install. Android Studio uses a DB to push the APK and start the app. If installation fails, check Min SDK version and required permissions, because mismatches or runtime permission prompts can block launch until fixed. Finish by observing Logcat for startup logs and errors, which explain crashes or missing resources. If run fails, try a DB install R from a terminal to replace the app manually, because that often reveals package or signature issues. If the phone disappears, restart the DB server with a DB kill server, a DB start server, and reconnect the cable. One key troubleshooting tip: revoke USB debugging authorizations in developer options and reauthorize the computer to clear stale permissions. This fixes most stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.